Hello, today I'm going to show you how to take any PDF and change it into an editable text. So let's find something that's a PDF here. Let's take a look at this. Let's say we were to take this PDF. And as you can see, when it comes up, if I click on it and try to change things, I can't change anything here. So the way that you do this is you open up a Word document. After you open up a Word document and pick a blank file, go to Open. I'm going to go to Browse. I save this under my desktop. So I go to Desktop, the week of that, and we'll go down, get the PDF. Word is going to come up and give me a message that it wants to convert it to a PD from PDF to a Word document. I say OK. If you have a lot of writing, if you have a lot of pictures, then this takes longer. As you can see, this does not take very long. And so now I'm able to go in and change things if I want to change it. I'll put it back like it was. So this will help you later on when you're doing some work. Thank you.